Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a signed in Samsung account and the OneDrive app installed. Open OneDrive now and tap Sign In, enter your Microsoft credentials. If prompted, accept permissions for storage and camera access so photos and files can sync. Once done, choose whether to link a work or personal account and enable automatic camera upload if you want photos backed up. Make sure to allow background activity. Without that, uploads may pause when the screen sleeps. You now configure sync details. Tap Settings and open Camera Upload or Sync Settings. Choose what to back up, photos, videos, or specific folders, and pick Upload Quality to control space usage. If you're on a limited data plan, make sure cellular uploads are off. Otherwise, allow uploads on Wi-Fi only. Use files on demand or selective sync so only chosen folders download to your device, which preserves storage. Once configured, trigger a manual sync to confirm everything starts uploading. You finish by sharing and maintaining files. Tap a file, choose Share, then set view or edit permissions and expiration to control access. To recover, open Recycle Bin or use version history for documents. If sync stalls, check app permissions and available OneDrive storage first, then confirm network connectivity and background activity. Update the app, and if needed, sign out and back in or restart the device. One common fix is toggling background data to force a fresh sync. That resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.